Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngathemba usaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje phezulu kumahhala nje question esente elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ezizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke MK sikhiphe statement-ke sisheshayo-ke laphana-ke sikhipha-ke kubalandeli-ke beqembu-ke. Le statement akufundela-ke sona-ke sibhale ukuthi media statement date 22 November 2024. President Zuma will address the funeral service of the MK Party Wembezi 6 comrades who died in a traffic car accident in August. Umkhonto weSizwe Party President Jacob Zuma will attend and address the funeral service of the 6 comrades from Wembezi who died in a tragic car accident on the 31st of August 2024 while en route to attend a Women's League celebration event in Nkandla. President Zuma will be joined by the national officials together with the members of the National High Command of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. The details of the funeral service are as follows. Date Saturday 23 November 2024. Venue Wembezi Sports Ground, Escorts, Inkosi Langalibalele Local Municipality, KwaZulu-Natal Province. Time 08 a.m. Members of the media attending the memorial service are advised to RSVP on the link below. Inquiries Tlamulo Ndlela, Head Media and Communications, Contacts Mobile 7923033345. Sibiya Theory, Manager Media and Communication, Parliament, Contacts number 84 374 4316. Lena-ke statement esikhishwa-ke MK-ke sichaza-ke ngohambo-ke lakhe kuJacob Zuma-ke laphana-ke kusasa-ke. Mina ngicela lapha singena comment section futhi uvo lakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke busuke kulungile-ke lapho-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini lapho uzokwazi ukuthi uzwe zonke-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha ngizolokhu ngilethela zona-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje.